Tagal na kayo magkabarkada ni Kelvin, kababata. Naging close kami dahil sa Magic, sa mga trip-trip. Kaya ngayon, babatiin kita gamit yung paraan na alam ko kung paano kami naging close ni Kelvin. Happy birthday, Maurice.
Birthday, Maurice.
Hi, Maurice. Happy birthday. Stay pretty, happy, and healthy. Love you. Bye.
Hi, Maurice. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Maurice.
Happy birthday, Ate Maurice.
Happy birthday, Maurice.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Maurice.
Happy birthday, Ate Mar.
Happy birthday, Maurice. God bless sa inyo ni Kelvin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maurice. Ayun, stay happy with Kelvin and God bless. Rock and roll.
Happy birthday, Maurice. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Maurice.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Maurice. Happy birthday, Maurice.
Hi, Maurice. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday with Kelvin. Hi, I love you.
Hi, partner. Happy birthday. Mas matanda ka na sa akin ngayon isang taon. Joke lang. Hope your birthday be filled with love, laughter, and happiness. And sana more happy moments. Again, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Maurice. On our way na kami sa iyo.
Ba't daw makita?
Ang bayad ko.
Happy birthday. 2 hours to go. Birthday mo na. See you later.
Panganakan na.
Love you.
Love you. Ano, umiiyak ka? Umiiyak.